One of the best new features of the iPhone 14 Pro is the ability to have low power mode automatically turn on at a certain battery level. This helps extend the battery life when your iPhone's charge is running low. And in this video, we will show you how to automate the low power mode on your iPhone 14 Pro. To begin, go back to the home screen and look for shortcuts. Depending on your apps, you might have to swipe to the second page to find it. Once inside, tap Automation at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, select Create Personal Automation. Now scroll down to find the option battery level, and once found, tap on it. Drag the slider to the battery level you want low power mode to turn on. In this tutorial, let's set it to 20%. Once you've set the slider, tap the option Falls Below, which also reflects the battery level. After doing that, tap Next. On the next screen, tap Add Action. Tap the search bar and type the word Low to find the low power mode option. Once found, tap on Set Low Power Mode and then tap Next. Since we want the option to automatically enable when triggered, you need to turn off the option Ask before running, so tap the switch next to it and select Don't Ask. It is up to you if you want to be notified when low power mode is enabled or not, but you'll know if it is because the battery icon will turn yellow. Now tap Done to finish the setup process. After that, the low power mode will automatically enable once the battery level you specified is hit. And that's all there is to it. We hope this tutorial can help you. Thanks for watching.